SIMONA, Global Thermoplastic Solutions. The demands placed on plastics are increasing with an ever stronger focus on tailor-made solutions. SIMONA is one of the world's leading development partners and producers of thermoplastic sheets, rods, piping systems, and finished parts. Our high-end production methods are paving the way for many new applications. Our production facilities and sales offices span the globe. SIMONA is operating with sales companies in 11 countries and a global network of dealers. This ensures a fast, flexible, and reliable service of delivery. Our products are engineered to withstand extreme conditions for the safe storage and transport of chemicals, or for applications in the field of solids handling. Our experts have a proven track record in developing targeted solutions for infrastructure and civil engineering projects. Combining pioneering materials and superior process technology, we develop cutting-edge products for construction, architecture, shipbuilding, and bridge engineering. Drawing on their technical expertise, our engineers provide professional support when it comes to developing solutions for water treatment, energy supply, and fish and livestock farming, areas in which, for example, our lightweight cross-ribbed twin wall sheets are frequently used. We love plastics and our environment. More than 95% of the waste produced during operations is recycled. Mobility is one of the biggest challenges in a globalized world. SIMONA Boltaron specializes in the customized design of components used in aircraft interiors. Meeting highest safety standards, SIMONA products not only ensure personal mobility, but also fulfill exacting requirements when it comes to lightweight construction and the reduction of emissions in vehicles. But even the most advanced technology is of little use if you don't have the people to unlock its true potential. Day in, day out, our team is passionate about making your business a success. Global Thermoplastic Solutions, from a company like a friend. SIMONA.